Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn from Florals.com and today I have another process video for you. This time I'm actually playing along with Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. If you have not already, go check out her Facebook group. I'll have it linked down below so you guys can check out all of the wonderful sketches she has pulled together for her event, and I'll be sure to have my specific one linked down below as well for you guys. I don't think I actually pull it up here on camera, but it is right in front of me as I'm working on this. And it's just a cute little sketch with a couple of layers, and the sketch actually features 3 photos, but I go for 2 of my cat instead. Now, originally, I have my How to Kill a Kit with Style kit out here and thought I was going to go ham on some pattern papers, but I reached outside of my How to Kill a Kit with Style kit for a piece of cardstock to help balance out all of this pattern. Now I am using the Crepe Paper Magical Forest collection as the basis of my kit, so that beautiful golden yellow paper on the right hand side I cut will be a banner to follow the sketch, and it's also from the 6x8 Magical Forest paper pad. The rest of the papers are from my stash. We have a beautiful polka dot cardstock in the back there from Coordinations, and then the beautiful floral I picked out is from DCWV's watering can paper pad. A gorgeous collection. Now these 2 photos of my cat Lily are so precious. It's just one of the playtimes we had together, and it's really hard to capture your animals sort of in play mode when they're not blurry. So I have this really cute photo where she's grabbing something above her but looking down, and then the other one where she's wrapped her arms around a pole of the cat tree trying to hold on to her piece of ribbon with a really cute squished face. But since I needed to balance out all the pattern with some cardstock, I opted for craft because of the deep tones in the Crepe Paper Magical Forest collection, which is the main collection I'm using for embellishments in this project. Now what I also like about using craft is it means I can bring in more neutrals. I can bring in black very easily. I can bring in more white or cream. It really opens the door to possibility without committing to white or cream right off the bat. Now I'm really lucky that none of the pattern papers I chose really have a heavy emphasis on white or cream, because the actual collection for Magical Forest has an off-white tone, but the ephemera I ended up picking out didn't have any white or off-white on them, so I was able to bring in a bunch of white elements without feeling like there was too much disjointedness or unconnectedness for this page. Now originally when I pulled out that Rise and Shine, I thought it was going to be a 2-step title. Originally Rise and Shine on the right, and then I'm going to say on the left, it's time to play. And there's also a sticker in the collection, as you saw I did pull it out there, that said Let's Play, but it didn't look great because it was a clear sticker on craft, which is a bit too dark to really pull in that color, so I opted not to do that. And you'll see I may go a little bit crazy with embellishments on this page, but I will say the sketch kind of did call for it, so I'm just using that to my advantage. And another thing I'm playing along with this month is over in the Rediscover Your Stash Facebook group. The item of the month for the focus of the month is flare, so I did pull in a Scrap It Happy Studio flare on the right hand side there that says I think everything in life is wild and free, or everything good in life is wild and free, and my cat is definitely wild. And as it would be, as soon as I'm done planning out this layout and want to start gluing it down, my ATG runs out of tape, so I quickly change that up and get back to taping down all of these elements. Now, with cardstocks like these and thick pattern papers like these, I often use more adhesive than not. Another element featured on the sketch was a strip all the way across, and I ended up going for this washi tape strip from Jen Hatfield to help sort of have that element without having to cut another piece of pattern paper or cardstock. And then the bottom left here I thought would be very simple. I have a couple of Freckled Fawn chipboard pieces I've pulled out, a bunch of stickers from the My Mind's Eye Cat's Meow collection, and I wanted to also use a couple of these cork arrows to bring in some lovely gold elements. I consider my cat to be orange because she is, but it's got a lot of gold tones in her fur, so I really like to pull in gold when I scrapbook her, and it just makes it really, really cute and easy. Now I did want to try to use up these Project Life rub-ons that I've had for far too long on my kit this month, so I end up pulling out 3 for this page, and I end up cutting out a bunch of the work I actually did, and I could not find a popsicle stick for the life of me or an actual rub-on tool, so instead I end up using the end of a spatula or a palette knife, whatever you may call them, and use that to sort of help me. Now this one's perfect for this particular page because it says stay on target, which is perfect for a little huntress cat like Lily herself. And this one was probably the hardest one to put on because with words you don't want that rustic look because you want to be able to read the words. But the last one I pull out of this set will be that big heart. And that one went really, really well. So it seems like the smaller or daintier images are not holding up very well on here. But it works out in the end that I did get to use a bunch of them, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I can finish them this month. But if you guys are looking for more information on this layout and want to see more up-close photos or get product links, head to the blog post that'll be linked down below for my website so you guys can get all of the information you need and want for this page. And you can also sign up for my blog newsletter so you'll get updated on posts on my blog that might not make it here to YouTube, and you'll also be able to get any updates I give over there. And of course, maybe some freebies along the way. So definitely check that out if you haven't already. It'll be linked down below. But this layout came together fairly quickly. It could have ended right here, but me, myself, and I know I love a good sticker book and love pulling out different elements. So while I'm gluing down these elements, I keep thinking about other things I might want to add. And I technically have 2 sticker books in my kit this month, the Jen Hadfield one, and then I have the one that came with the Crepe Paper Magical Forest. They're sort of like a 6-sheet sticker book, and I end up pulling out a bunch of pieces. What I actually super love about any sort of sticker sheet is the variety in sizes. I do very well with small stickers, and you'll see here after I'm done adding some leaf elements just to add a little bit of extra dark green contrast to match the background pattern paper, I also go in and find these adorable, very small black star stickers. Now there's a little bit of black on this layout in the title, the flare, and the washi tape, but I wanted a bit more contrast. So these itty bitty star stickers were the perfect element and also sort of coordinate with the title on the rise and shine sort of feel. So I really enjoyed using those dainty little elements, and I adore clear stickers, especially for this particular reason. Finishing pieces are amazing as clear stickers. Now, as I look through the rest of it, I'm like, do I need more? No. Do I want more? Yes. But first we're going to get this final rub-on down, and I end up using the end of my Cricut bone folder instead, which seemed to work out really well. But I'm planning on doing journaling in the bottom section there, or maybe on the yellow banner itself. I haven't fully decided, but I added one last gold cork sticker from the freckled font cork that I'd pulled in this kit. And then I add a couple of other phrase stickers from the Jen Hadfield sticker collection to add a slight tinge of color to some other areas. But other than that, this is a completed layout. I think the bottom cluster is still my favorite. A bunch of medium to little size pieces can really make an impact, and I think I did that with this particular page. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'll have Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches group linked down below, as well as the Rediscover Your Stash Facebook group linked down below in case you guys are interested in checking them out. I'll also have all of my information linked down below so you guys can continue to check out my blog and follow me if you're interested in seeing more of my work. But let me know what you think in the comments, and I will be back again very, very soon with another video. As always, leave me a comment down below if you have any suggestions for what you'd like to see next. But I'm loving this kit so far, and hopefully you guys are too. If you're interested in seeing more projects using this kit, I'll have exclusive process videos over on Patreon where you can come and hang out with us and do fun crafty things. But thank you guys so, so much for watching. Again, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to get a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. But thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!